Hallo, this is Hans, the Dutch guy, with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Rembrandt van Rijn, the legendary Dutch painter. This is the way us Dutchies say Rembrandt van Rijn. Rembrandt van Rijn. There is no real emphasis on any part. Rembrandt van Rijn. You don't really have to pronounce the rolling R, the R. Rembrandt van Rijn. Rembrandt van Rijn was one of the Dutch masters. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out. Tot ziens!